Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lily and today's video is about my new Nikes. I'm just doing videos to get monetized as soon as possible, so I'm just gonna do videos every day. Not every day, but yeah, as usual. And here they are, my Nikes. You're gonna love them. I bought them in Mall of the Emirates. When I saw them, I just know I knew them. It's Nike's Jordan. So here they are. They're long. Oh my god, look at that cuties. Woo! I love them. Oh my god, I love them so much. I love the quality of Nike. I love Jordan. Okay, I bought them for 475 dirham. Yeah, and I love them. I can't wait to wear them with something black and yellow, I think, and even white. It's gonna be cool. So yeah, I love them. I'm gonna be downloading video where I'm just unpacking them without me talking. Maybe you're gonna like it more, so I'm gonna just attach the link somewhere here. Yeah, thank you for watching me and stay tuned. See ya!